This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically these biotech microwavable takeout containers. We have 5 sizes here: the petite 8-ounce, the larger 16, then we've got a 30, 49, and finally 71-ounce container. So you have lots of different size options depending on what you need to pack up. These fantastic takeout containers are made of craft paper that's grease-proof and also recyclable, meaning that they're as easy to use as they are to clean up. They've got a tab and lock closure, which makes it a nice secure way to box up takeout or pack up leftovers and prevent messes during transport. So these can be used for both hot and cold foods. And when you get a nice big sleeve of them, they'll fit nicely down inside of each other, making them stackable for a great space-saving option in a busy kitchen where you need stuff with a small footprint. The natural brown finish of the craft paper design goes with the nature-friendly aesthetic, and it's a great little nod to eco-friendly packaging that just lets your customers know that you care. So these are a great option for restaurants, cafes, bistros, any place that does takeout or maybe has leftovers from generous portions that their customers are going to want to take home.